Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the base box from Boxy Charm, which is weird because this is like the first subscription box that I've gotten this month, and it's my birthday month. I guess they're all coming late, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we got going on. And if you don't already know, this is a monthly subscription box that costs $25 per month. So let's go ahead and open it. This is what it looks like on the inside. And up top you see that there is the card that they always have with the theme, glamping, camping. Because it's like the last month of summer. Well, you know, until everyone starts going back to school and stuff, which I think some people do at the end of the month. But anyways, on the back of the card, we have the items with the price and a brief description. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. All right, the first thing we got here is Morphe I Got This brush set. It's a $12 set. It says, "Oh, these babes. Just the 4 natural and synthetic eye brushes you need to pull off all the gorgeous looks. Go on and give them a sweep." Collection includes oval shadow brush, pro firm blending crease brush, tapered mini blender brush, and an angled liner brush. And if you follow any of my looks, you know that I really don't pay too much attention to what they're intended to use, just if they'll do what I want to do. So, but I'm going to open this because I really want to look at the brushes. Okay, so those are the brushes up close. I have a drawer full of brushes, but I think I'm going to leave these ones out because these have some shapes of some brushes that I've been needing to replace, mainly this one right here. I've been looking for a kind of fluffy brush, but more narrow than most because I don't have a lot of eye space, so I like the more narrow ones for that reason. So yeah, that is one thing, and I am happy about that. Yeah. The next thing we have here is Pure Heals Pore Clear Black Charcoal Cleansing Foam. Premium charcoal and oriental botanical ingredients helps cleanse the sebum and skin waste, and pine needle extract and mineral ingredients help skin be moisturized and glossy. And this is supposed to retail for $24. I'm actually, you know, originally I was kind of like when I saw this, because like charcoal products usually have a lot of ingredients in it that are really harsh on my skin, that causes me to get all red. And I'm a little red right now, but that's because of the heat. So I wasn't super excited, but like pine usually is really good on my skin. Pine, like if you have like eczema and psoriasis, pine's usually pretty good on your skin. So, or if it's an essential oil, and my guess will be, this should be okay. I don't know, but I'm gonna give it a try. But this is what it looks like out of it. And this is made in Korea, so it is a Korean brand. Let's see, I want to see if it has the date somewhere. It does. It says this is good till year 23, so it's good to go. So I will put that aside for now. The next thing we got here is Mud Musky Hair Mask Sculpt Treatment and Miracle Shampoo. This unique hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo makes the skin on your scalp healthy again. Repairs and strengthens hair while moisturizing the skin on the scalp, controls dandruff from the root, and works against itchy scalp. Suitable for all hair types and especially for damaged hair. So that is what it looks like, and this retails for $25. Now I did have like one skincare product from them before. I've never tried any of their hair products, so I don't really have any thoughts on their hair products yet. So this will be interesting to try out and see how it works. The next thing we got here is QMS Medi Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream, a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins. Helps to blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowy, even skin. The combination of a skin perfecting light tint and hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream. So that is what it looks like, and this retails for $105. I typically don't use day creams that expensive, but I will be using this. Yeah, I don't know how quickly I'm gonna get to because I've got a lot of other ones I'm trying to get through, but I'm curious. These really expensive ones make me really curious, just because it's like the average person is not spending $100 on moisturizers and cleansers, and for it to be that price, I want to see miracles happen on my face. So yeah, I definitely want to try that out. So the very last thing in my box is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. This is, or it says here, these 10 eyeshadow pans of pure bliss provide all the everyday hues you need to create your go-to soft glam, as well as vivid pops of color to liven your look. And this is supposed to retail for $36. Now I do have some of the Violet Voss palettes. I have the Best of Life 1 and 2, and I do have the Essentials 1 palette, and I have one other palette. I can't think of what it's called. It's like Fruit Sorbet, that's what it is. So I am a fan of this brand. I am a fan of their formulas. I think they're all great. So that is what this palette looks like. And this is a palette I would use. So I'm going to swatch that and I'll be right back. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. That is a very interesting mix of colors, but I do like it. I will at some point be doing a first impressions video where I try out all these shades on my eyeballs, and I can already tell you I don't think it's going to be super challenging for me just because the color scheme. I feel like you could take this one and cover the whole lid with it, and then separate like these colors right here and do like either the purple on the bottom or the top, or the blue on the top or the bottom, you know, one or the other. But I do like these colors, and the swatch, of course, the formulas are great, and look out for that future first impressions video. Other than that, that is everything in the box. I hope you liked it. Let me know what your favorite item in my box was, because I'm always curious to know. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, and if you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.